The DrumUp Employee Advocacy Platform is a great way to leverage the power of your team and make them your social media ambassadors. With DrumUp, every time you create a piece of content or share something on social media, with just one click, your employees can share the post on their social channels. This increases your content's reach by several times. Also, your employees stay more informed and engaged with your brand. So let's jump in and see how DrumUp works. DrumUp has a simple dashboard from where your social media team can share posts with your employees. Let's say you are the social media manager for your company. You see this interesting news story and you want to share it with your employees. So you go to DrumUp, click on Compose, take the title of the story you want to share, add some comments, add the URL, and then you want to make sure that this option, Share on Company Stream, is checked. There are several other options that you can explore. The first is the publishing time. I have chosen Automatic right now, which means that the system will decide the best time for your post to go. But you can easily customize it. Let's set it for Friday, 10:27 p.m. You can repeat the post if you think it's important. You can save it to a content library, which means you can refer back to it later and share it again. You can upload an image to accompany the post. You can select multiple accounts that you want the post to be published on. Once you're done, just click Schedule. So the post has been added, and now you can go to the queue and see that the post will be published on April 29th, 10:27 p.m. And if you go back to your company feed, you can see the post has been shared with employees. Now let's go to the Employee DrumUp dashboard. You can see that it's quite similar to the admin dashboard with a few subtle differences. The post that we shared is now being recommended to the employee in the company stream. All the employee has to do to share it on his or her social media channels is click on either Schedule or One-Click Schedule. Schedule is going to show all the regular options. The employee can choose a publishing time, repeat the post, save the post to library, publish it on multiple accounts, or he can just click on One-Click Schedule, which will take all the default options and push the post into queue. And you can see that the employee has just earned some points, which we'll come to later. And the post has now gone to the queue. So that's it. That's all it takes for you to share your post with your employees and for them to share on their social media channels. Now let's dig deeper into some of the more advanced features of DrumUp. The first feature we'll look at is feeds. Through feeds, DrumUp automatically picks up the content from your blog and recommends it to your employees, as if you have manually created that post. This is great because it saves you a lot of time and automates the process. What's more, employees can choose the auto post option right here, which means that every time you create a new blog post, it will get automatically shared on the employee's social media account, and they don't even have to log into DrumUp to do that. The second feature is industry news. This is great for employees to stay up to date with what is happening in your industry. All you have to do is go to Settings, enter the keywords related to your industry, and we start recommending relevant content in the industry stream. And as usual, employees can choose One-Click Schedule or the Schedule option to share it on their social media accounts. This is particularly useful for client-facing employees or senior-level executives for whom social authority and presence is very important. The third feature is Gamification. On DrumUp, we have tried to make sharing quite interesting. So as an employee, every time you share a post, you get a number of points. If you are the first one, you get 20 points. The second one gets 18, the third one 16, and so on. And over the period of a month, all these points add up and you can track your progress in the leaderboard. The leaderboard is also shared periodically on email to keep employees engaged, and the contest can be linked with prizes for the winners. The process of account administration has also been made easy and secure. You can invite employees easily through this dialog. You can track the invitation status and re-invite people. You can also view analytics reports, either by user or by individual posts. DrumUp offers several features that make it easier for your employees to share your company posts. Every time you add a new post, we send an email notification to the employees, and they can share the post from inside the email itself. We have both iOS and Android apps, which make sharing easier and faster, and your employees can do that on the go. Along with this, we also have a Chrome extension that will make it easier for your social media manager to share posts. For example, say she wants to share this post on your company's social media account. All she has to do is click on the DrumUp icon in Chrome, click on Schedule Post, and choose the desired options and click Schedule. So that's it. Thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just get in touch with us.